been slain.
The snow. I recall. Don't run.
Miguel, ano pa hinihintay mo, Miguel? Mag-lord ka na. Kami nang bahala mag-guard sa'yo. Mag-turtle ka ng turtle.
What for?
The enemy has
Putang ina!
An enemy has been slain.
Ang usay.
Has been slain. Shut down. Double kill.
Purify.
Shut down. An ally has been slain.
Where to?
Naantok na to si Miguel.
Are we home?
Amo, na-trash talk ka na, par! Baka sabihin mo na naman, magre-reason ka na naman yan. Tangay. Kalaban na yung nagtatrash talk sa'yo.
Smile is all I have.
Enemy has been slain.
Danger. Addictive.
Paano ya?
What for?
Ito, may ano, patay to.
An enemy has been slain.
Huli yan. Nice one.
Double kill.
Uy, putang ina mo, punit ako dun ah.
Ally has been slain.
Tulog na ata si Glaze.
I find clarity.
Request backup.
Ari, focus mo lang yung ano mo, pag-iisip mo. Huwag kang magdala sa damdamin ng laro.
Black, you see.
Kasi pag nadadali ka sa yung laro, putang ina, sitan tayo.
Enemy double. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Gising nood lang. Wala kang ginagawa, nanonood ka lang sa akin.
Didn't hurt.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Tanga na, di na tayo nakakuha ng Lord ah.
Our turret is
Dapat
under
di ka na
attack.
nagbabap eh.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy killing spree.
GG's. Uy, short kay sir.
Where to?
You have
Mapatay lang
slain
kita,
an
gago ka.
enemy.
Gagamitin ko flicker para sa'yo.
Mercy. Halt!
Yes, wala naman pasok bukas kaya pwede magpuyat yun. Sana.
Colors.
Hindi ka sumali. Tanga na mo, mali yung combo.
What for?
Nakakaya yung torre nila. Pwede pa sa ano. Pwede pa next round.
Initiate retreat.
Memory completes me.
You have slain an enemy.
Nakukuhan mo naman, putang ina naman gadot.
Our turret is under attack. Shut down. Our turret has been
Gago, di nahuli yung ano. Di nahuli yung isa. Maalat ka today. Yee! Ew yan.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Pa-short kay Sir Lloyd. Wala, sir. Naabutan mo yung laro naming ano,
I find clarity.
pugo.
An enemy has been
Paano
slain.
si ano?
Break.
Si Miguel nilaro ng nilaro.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Putang ina, MM yung ano. MM yung ano. Ay, puta, napiyok ako.
Ally has been slain.
MM yung tiyangge. Sabi sa'yo eh. Putang ina, Cordairot ka pa ah. Wala naman mapapalayas sa rank game ng solo lang yan eh. Ginagamit eh.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Pag 5 man par, wag mo nang gagamitin yan. Alam mo kung bakit?
I find
May mga
clarity.
utak na ang kalaban natin.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. An
Oo nga,
ally
sakit
has
nga.
been
Tang
slain.
ina.
Enemy double kill.
Chain up. No warmth.
Pero mamaya makabawi tayo.
Attack.
Halt. It is black, you see.
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Break. Don't run.
Our turret is under attack.
Memory completes me. Purify.
You have slain an enemy.
Break.
Double kill.
You asked for it.
Our turret is under attack.
Chain up.
Doon sila na
Attack the
nalugi.
Lord.
Lord tayo, Lord tayo. Tara na. Lord na par, Lord na par. Makuha ng ka pa ng retry niya. Pukin ng ano lang ano ha. Walang pani.
Where to?
Eto, pwede to.
An ally has slain
Pwede yan.
the Lord. An enemy has
Ayan, yung pera pa isa, lumilitaw.
ult is
Uwi
ready.
muna ako.
Initiate retreat.
Feels familiar.
An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Enemy unstoppable.
Gag. Naipit kayo doon. Pag dumating sana yung ano, out. Alam mong GG pa tayo dyan, di pa tayo nakabawi. Makukunat pa yun mga yan.
Serves the purpose. Break.
Habol ka pa.
Halt.
Nakuha yung blue ha.
Quit.
Ito, huli! 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 Huli yan!
An enemy has been slain.
Sige, sige, kayo na bala. May pani ha. Nahuli ako ng pani. Nice one, nice one.
Double kill.
Yung papalapit sa akin, pukin ng ini nyo. Mahuli talaga kayo, par. Uy, par, tulong, tulong. Nice, nice. Yung MM.
Down. Enemy rampage. An ally has
Ang
been
gatot.
slain.
Huwag kayong magdikit, masakit. Apat 4K pa.
I find clarity. Purify.
Makakita pala ako doon. Meron pala. Masikip pa, masikip. Masikip.
An enemy has been
Masikip dyan. Nice. Back mo na. Masikip dun.
initiate retreat.
Abot naman ako mabubuhay eh. Nahuli ko yung panin na yan. Nakawawa sa akin yan. Baliktad tong laro na to, par. Promise yan.
I find clarity.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Sige. Advance. Advance. Yung pani ah. Pakitaan natin yan ng... Putang ina talaga si Miguel. Ay, malayo pala.
Inhibitor turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain.
Ang layo. Par, back na!
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Battle spell inbound. Yun na yun?
Break!
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Has been destroyed. Enemy our base is under attack.
Ala, GG's talaga. GG's sa core. Anong oras na ba? Binawi lang yung panalo natin.
Defeat.
Bakit naman? Kaya nga eh. Ano, awatan na ba to? Okay, sige, last game. Tangina niya, papayag kayo no? Naglalaro tayo, pupuyat tayo, tapos di nyo ayusin laro. Core Alpha ka na lang! Hindi mo lang ata tumama yung retry mo para. Kahit isang beses ah. Ayaw na. Ngayon si Mike na yung nag... Wag si ano magtatank. Ayaw na din.
Your team is
Lalo wala tayong pag-asa niyan pag hindi ano yung ano natin. Hindi anong tawag doon? Hindi 100% yung hero natin. Roll.
Your team is banning.
Si Mike na nag-core.
The enemy is picking.
Lalong naging labo.
Still
Oh, yan na. Ako magkakor! Ako magkakor! Pukin ang ina niyan. Ano? Sige. Balik tayo ng ano.
See value in me?
O, magkakor, par.
You should.
There's no time to chit-chat.
The enemy is picking.
Matilda.
10 years.
Matilda tayo, Matilda.
Gaze the stars and
Your
sort
team
your
is
path.
picking.
May gold, Miguel. Gold ka na, Miguel.
Magpa-fighter naman si ano. Ako magkakor makunat. Para putang na di. Dalaw-dalawin natin si ano.
It's my way or the highway.
Wala bang magmamatilda?
I do what I
The
want
enemy is
to do.
picking.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
My inner light will
Your
instruct me.
team is picking.
Estes. Marunong ka ba magmatilda, pre? Patay tayo dyan. Estes. Lolita. Yan, pwede yan. Yan.
May the world come to life.
Pag natalo nito, bawi tayo. So, ibig sabihin, naglaro lang tayo para sa ano. For the views. Kaya natin yan, tangin na. Ano lang yan eh. Ang patawag dyan? Ling. Live na lang ginagawa ko sa ano eh, no? Hindi na ako nakakapag-live no, nakakapagawa ng content. Hindi katulad sa Codem, nakagawa ako ng content. Nakapag-edit ako.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Saan
Smash
kayo sa
them.
Pinas?
They
Sa
will-
Bataan? Magkakasama
All
kami niyan.
troops deployed.
Kami 5, magkakasama kami sa SM.
I'm ready.
Sa SM
whenever
kami
the money
nagtatrabaho
is.
eh. Puro sa
It
cellphone.
should have been me, not him.
Unstable network.
Para advance ka na.
Face me.
Pwede nga natin ano yun eh, batukan yung ano eh. Yung gold. Ay yung ano. Yung red. Makunat naman ako eh. Pataas tayo ah. Pataas.
Single-handedly.
Advance ka na. Advance ka na.
You get what you pay for.
Tara dito, hindi dyan. Hindi dyan par, nandito yung ano, turtle eh. Oh. Patap tayo. Okay, dadan sa ano ha, sa may repolyo.
Not all worth can be quantified.
First blood. You have slain an enemy. An ally has been slain.
They put a price tag on everything in Los Picados.
Sige, lord lang tayo.
An ally has been slain.
Labas nyo may ling, labas nyo may ling. Kasi dun sa taas niya, na yan dyan, pwede pumesto si Ling dyan.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Tara, dito. Ayun, nahuli to.
Initiate retreat.
Nice one. Tara, top, Miguel! Where are you going?
House Vance doesn't need friends, but I do.
An enemy has been slain.
Stun, par. Stun.
Now I'm getting serious.
Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Patayan, nice one.
An enemy has been slain.
Taka na si Miguel eh. Miguel, ikaw ang kailangan ko.
Cable network.
Sa akin ka sumama.
This never stops moving. Neither do I.
Para alam mo ang rotation ng core. Hindi, para kailangan ko ng bilis mo.
Nothing and no one deceives my eyes.
An ally has been slain.
Ayan po, anong ano. Putang na di umabot. Skill! Skill!
No questions asked. No secrets told.
An ally has been slain. Shut down.
That's underwhelming.
You have been slain.
Saan kayo sa Bataan? Ah, sa Limay.
Thought I wouldn't be coming back?
Miguel, sa akin ka lang sumama. Magka kung saan mauuna dyan. Pakunat ka lang.
Those who stared at my scar ended up having one.
Ganon mag-retry ha, Miguel. Ganon mag-retry. Ito.
No sweat.
Putang ina mo.
Slain. An enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Senso kasi di ako pinagmatilde eh. Di ako pinag-roam eh.
The compass never stops moving. Neither do I.
Di pala tayo nakakadalaw ng blue, no? Kaya ako naganto kasi para makadalaw ng blue pero di tayo
I can't
makadalaw.
afford to miss any clue.
Tara, red na lang tayo. Ito. Ito to. Huli.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy killing spree.
Nothing and no one deceives my eyes.
Patay na yan. Gogo na buhay pa. Lambot mo, di ka nag-build ng pampatigas eh. Di ka nag-build ng pampatigas eh. Malambot ka talaga. Puro ano lang, patigas lang. Tapos sunod ka lang sa akin. Ang gagawin mo lang naman sa akin, pabilisin lang ako ng pabilisin yung movement ko eh. Nandito na sa akin lahat ah.
Enemy rampage.
Patay ako, may third.
Killing spree.
Tayo.
Enemy unstoppable. An ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has
The
been
compass
destroyed.
never stops moving. Neither do I.
Gather
The
up the
enemy
turtle!
has slain the turtle.
Ano, kanina pa yun eh. Oh, pwede rin florin.
Our turret has been destroyed. Shut down.
Face me!
An enemy has been slain.
Eh, di mo naman pala alam gamitin yun eh. Kahit mag-florin ka, di mo rin alam gamitin yun. Sayang puta, hindi ako nakashoot.
Shut down. Enemy killing. Enemy double kill. Shut down.
Slow. Putang na nakukuha ko.
Greetings from Los
Initiate
Pecados.
retreat. You have been slain.
Kahit sana Matilda.
Yes.
Our turret is under attack.
Thought I wouldn't be coming back?
Our turret is under attack.
To battle is to appraise your enemies, just with different instruments.
Ally has been, an enemy has been slain.
You
Double
get what you
kill.
come for.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Single-handedly.
Our turret is under attack. Request backup.
Pabilisin mo nga ako, Bat.
Greed will be the doom of House Vance.
Gather at the Lord!
Lang mag-ilang ako. Mag-ilang ako sa mga creeps. Gago, may naiwan.
Initiate retreat.
It should have been me, not him.
An ally has been slain.
Lalambot natin, tuwan-tuwa yun Ling, oh.
Enemy double kill. Initiate retreat.
Greetings from Los Pecados.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been
Wala,
destroyed.
last game na, di pa ano yung solid yung ano natin
Turret is
sayang.
under attack.
Binawi, panalo natin, mga lods, ha. Uy, short kay Yud.
Enemy has slain Lord.
The compass never stops moving. Neither do I.
Enemy unstoppable. Enemy double kill.
Tuwan-tuwa yung Ling, ba?
Enemy our turret is under attack.
That's underwhelming.
Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Shut down.
Tuwan-tuwa yung Ling. Putang ina.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Not all worth can be quantified.
Our
Wala na
turret
to.
has been destroyed.
Para give up na
Our
natin.
turret is under attack. Has been destroyed.
Wala, pangit din kasi yung hero namin, eh.
I can't afford to miss any clue.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. You have been slain.
It's not
Wala,
over
wala.
yet.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Pangit yung hero namin, putang ina, red rin pa ako.
Base is under attack.
Hindi pala ako masusuportan Estes o kaya ano.
Our inhibitor turret
Di
is under
kaya.
attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Galing ng Ling. Tuwan-tuwa yung Ling, oh. Putang
An
ina mo.
enemy has been slain.
Panay ka
Thought I
pasok.
wouldn't be coming back.
Initiate retreat.
Kahit sa ano, di ako makalapit, eh.
No sweat.
Sige lang, baklang. Makunat naman ako, eh.
Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed a turret.
Single-handedly. If you can't escape it, face it!
You have been slain.
Ayan na. Nasa gilid.
Double kill. Enemy triple kill. Enemy maniac.
Pasabage ka na! Pasabage ka na! Bigay mo na sa kanila yan. Bigay na sa kanya.
Our base is under attack.
Bibigay nyo na pag ganyan, pag alam nyo ng talo na tayo. Kasi points na sa kanila yun eh. Kawawa naman. Ay! Tara, GG's. Tangina, binawi lang yung star natin, no? Binawi lang yung star natin, guys. Bigo tayo ngayong gabi. Nakailang game tayo? 3 hours? 3 hours tayo nag-live, tapos walang stars na dagdag. Ano kaya
Have a
yun?
seat, sip some tea, and enjoy the show, my friend.
Sige na, babay na. Babay guys ah. O share sa mga viewers guys. Nice G, Michael. Nice G, nice G.
I inherited this divine power,
Ay,
but this
GG's.
spirit
Thank
is
you
my
sa
own.
pagtambay mga idol. Bye bye.